Alright, so Matt's gonna pull me with the rope on his boosted board.
You actually did fix my bull bar, by the way. Thank you for that.
Oh yeah, no worries. Long story short, something happened, I fixed it. Let's just see how it's gonna go.
Where we going?
We're gonna go around the corner. I'm doing well, what about you?
I'm doing good, how about you?
Oh man, I'm just chilling, dude. So we're gonna try to make a full movie, a full video of us doing the boosted board, the penny board thing. Andrew's doing his own thing. We're here to try to boost the board, if anything, and see how it goes. You ready, Matt?
Oh, dude, I'm so ready. Let's just.
He is so ready. There's Jazz playing right now. Pipe's doing this.
Performing now. I don't know.
We need some snacks right now.
I really.
Whoa, I was like, I paused the video, I was like, holy, because I saw this hat, I thought I had the glasses, I was like, holy crap, this is Brandon. Yeah, the animal rights video? Yeah.
That was right.
I love his videos. I love the Weeaboo video the best. Have you ever watched his stuff? Yeah. Great stuff. I don't know. It was just hilarious. I loved it.
What you doing?
Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about.
How you doing, man? Good. This is my boy Jawan Phillips, one of the best kids in the world. This is John Sala. He was even worse. I'm joking out here. How you doing?
I'm doing chilling.
He's doing chilling.
Yeah, we talked to
Yeah, Denise. Everyone knows him from the lighting. From the truck video. There you go, best lighting right this way. Video ever. Say, tires.
We're at the Monty Fireworks, and we are going to vlog.
I don't take off my hat in public.
What?
My viewers are leaving.
The viewers love me. Follow me on Instagram. What's my name? Alright, Denise _2496, I think.
So, a lot of time has passed and we're just shooting around, and there's balloons flying everywhere. And Andrew's gonna fly the drone with balloons just hanging out everywhere.
I saw all the VidCon videos.
Yo,
The VidCon videos.
we have a fan right
Andrew.
here.
No, yeah, that's you.
Everyone loves you. So, man, what's your name?
Gracious.
Gracious. He watches the video. Gracious.
Yes.
Word.
Being a dick. Casey Neistat.
Yeah, man.
Boosted board right there. Can I ride your boosted board?
Oh, that's not even mine. That's his.
I know.
It's charging.
Can I ride yours?
I don't have it. Andrew's drone. That drone. Love him. You want to see a cool drone shot coming from the man himself? He doesn't talk much.
I talk.
Oh, there's. I'm not even gonna say. I can't say it in the vlog, but Andrew's best friend is coming up here, and he wants to see the drone. All right, cool drone shot. In 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, guys? We're here at Montgomery 2016 fireworks today. We're gonna have a blast.
I gotta get
We got SnapX Vlogs over here. He's doing that giveaway.
You guys should go hit up my YouTube video, Dry.
You guys saw the what was it? The fireman speed test video. There we go. The fireman speed test video. This is David. What's up, guys? I got over 800 views on that video. A lot of people are looking for a fireman that's doing the speed test video. This is one of the coolest kids here. My best friend. He's my best friend.
I have sunburn. Careful, please. Oh.
I think by accident.
Where were you?
I was at Asbury Park.
Ooh.
On you! You suck at this.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Cheers on everything. You're living the life, man.
Thanks. My boy Hazal. Hazal Kalik, sleek. Kalik, sleek. Oh my god. Who's calling me? Where did Max go? Oh, he's over there. Here, have one. How you doing?
Glad I bought 4 boxes.
Yeah, I'm glad we bought 4.
Watch your step. So how you doing, man?
Good.
Yeah, everyone check out his videos. He makes some good ass videos. He doesn't have a YouTube channel.
Yeah. I'm in his video.
He's doing the videos though.
Yeah, he should.
That's cool.
I get so low light in there. How's that shot of him?
So sick. Yo, I have a sick idea. No, yo, I was gonna spin in a circle. Are we both vlogging over here, bro?
Vlogception out here?
Yeah, what is this? Oh my god.
Let's get a quick vlogging.
No, bro. I'm the main guy.
You know, watch out. It's dangerous out here. Damn, I'm fly.
You guys need to follow me at Joshua Perera _2.
You guys can go hit up my YouTube channel, Matthew OB01, or you can just look up Dry.
Alright, so we're done with
we
the
out here. We about to go to Wawa with the homies.
with the homies.
Not OB01.
I'm getting really dark right now. Alright, so
Joshua Perera.
that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Daily vlogs. Where's my wallet? It's in my pocket.
DJ
I'm good.
SnapX.
DJ SnapX. Alright, I'm really black right now. Wow. Okay, really dark right now.
Peace
Cool.
out.
Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Daily vlogs. Let's see how this goes.
Subscribe.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Keep everything snapping.
My thumb smells like what's it called? Grape.